In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the sale of an asset in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances and need to document asset sales accurately, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure everything is recorded correctly, minimizing any errors that could affect your financial records. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. There, you'll see the option labeled New. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Journal Entry. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the tool we use to manually record transactions that aren't automatically integrated into your regular business activities. We're now in the Journal Entry window, and from here, you can begin the recording process. It's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure accuracy. Start by selecting the account where the sale amount will be deposited. This could be your business bank account, for instance, or any other relevant financial account where the funds from the asset sale will be going. Choosing the correct account is crucial because it keeps your financial records in balance and provides an accurate reflection of your company's earnings. Next, in the debit column, input the total amount the asset was sold for. This entry represents the actual cash or equivalent value that your business received from selling the asset. It's essential to double-check this figure against your records to ensure it's accurate. After entering the sale amount, we move to the next line to record the depreciation. Depreciation reflects the reduction in value of the asset over the time you owned it. You'll want to make sure you have calculated the total depreciation appropriately, as this impacts both your financial statements and tax calculations. Now, it's time to credit the asset account. This step reduces the value of the asset on your books, acknowledging that it's no longer in possession of your business. Be cautious here to select the correct asset account to avoid discrepancies. Once each entry is accurately completed, the final step is to save your work. Simply click on Save and Close to apply these changes to your QuickBooks Online account. This action finalizes the entry and updates your financial records accordingly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully recorded the sale of an asset in QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions carefully, you ensure your financial documents remain precise and up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your books balanced and your business thriving.